This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. In desirable Oak Run. Gently lived in and long-term loved. First time on the market in decades. First floor, entry hall, great room, vaulted/fireplace, comfy dining room, big kitchen west/island, casual eating area, laundry, primary bedroom/bath suite plus 2 more BRs and 1.5 bath. Second floor, bedroom/bath suite plus bonus. Large screen porch links home west/2-car garage. Patio, ample flat grassy yard, fully fenced. Seller's request an as-is sale. Make this home yours with some TLC, and it will serve you well. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.